Hey, what's up guys? This is Ian and welcome to another one of my videos. Right, today I'm gonna show you guys how to make Dalgona coffee. I've seen this a lot on the internet and I'm gonna try it myself. At the same time, I'm gonna show you guys how I do it. So here are the ingredients that you need. It's very simple. What you need is instant coffee, and it has to be instant coffee. A little bit of hot water. You need a bowl, a whisk, milk, cold milk, ice in a cup, a spoon, and sugar. Alright, so here are the ingredients that you need. Let's move on to the next step. Alright, so the first step you want to do is to make the cream itself, the coffee cream itself. So first add actually it's up to you, but every ingredient that you add in, it needs to be of the same ratio. So if I add 2 spoons of coffee powder, instant powder, I will then need to add the same ratio of the sugar and the water. Okay, so 2 spoons of sugar. Right. And then now I'll add, close this up, put this inside, close this up, right? And then now I'll add 2 spoons of water. Okay? And this is hot water. It does not need to be boiling water. It just needs to be hot water. Okay? So I'm just going to mix this up. Okay? Right, so this is how it looks like. Right? Now I'm going to whisk it and I'm going to time it 10 minutes. Let's start whisking. So what I'm going to do is speed up the video so that you guys don't get bored. 10 minutes. It's a long time and my arms will get tired. Okay guys, so I'm halfway through and just want to show you guys how it looks like, how's the texture like. Now it's very creamy. As you can see, it's creamy, and this is not there yet. I'm already at 400 whips, but we are not there yet. And as you can see from my timer, we're only halfway through. So just keep working at it. Continue doing this step until the texture becomes like peanut butter. You know, when you take the peanut butter out from the jar, that's the kind of texture that you want to get and achieve. And as you can tell, my arms are getting tired now. But this is gonna be very yummy, very nice. Okay, see the texture. It's not runny anymore. As you can, it doesn't drop. It doesn't drop as much. But we're almost there. You know, all you need to do is make sure that it sticks to your whisk. To your whisk when you lift it up. Okay. See? It doesn't drip. So as long as your coffee doesn't drip after you're done, that'll be great. You're almost there. Okay, so just nice. We have 10 minutes. It's up. Alright, so let's move on to the next step. So as you can see, I've already whipped the coffee, and now I'm going to add it into this cup. But before I do that, I'm going to add the milk. Right, so add the milk to about 3/4 to the ice. Make sure that the ice is inside. Okay, about there. Alright, and then I'll take a spoon, get a bit of coffee off from the whisk. Okay, and then I'll put the whisk one side once I got the coffee out. And then I'll scoop the coffee into the cup. Okay. Okay. Just a bit more. This is so nice, so yummy. Look at the cream. Right, and the last spoon. I hope I can fit all this in there. All right, and there you go. This is how you make Dalgona coffee. Nice. Look at the cream on top. So, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Alright, and give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe to my channel.